Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see looking around environmental studies standard 4th. In that chapter number 11 in the ORCAD. In the previous video we have seen part 1. Today we'll see part 2. In the previous video we have completed the main 5. Now today we'll see main 6. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences. See the question number 1. Have you ever seen so many flowers growing together anywhere? Where? Answer is yes. When we had gone to the nursery that belongs to my uncle's, means Kaka's friend, we saw various type of flowers blooming at one time there. Now see the question number 2. Are there trees or plants which never have any flowers? Find out and write. Answer is yes. Bushes of henna and hunsraj as well as money plants and betel leaf creepers never have flowers. Now see main question number 3. What would happen if everybody plucked flowers? Answer is if everybody plucked flowers, there would be no color. There would be no colorful beautiful flowers in any garden. The beauty of all gardens will be destroyed. Now we will see the next page. Question number 4. Why do people buy flowers? Answer is people buy flowers for religious ceremonies, decoration, making garlands and gifting as a bouquets. Now see the fifth question. Can you tell that every plant has roots? Answer is yes, every plant has roots. Question number 6. How do the roots of a plant growing in a wall get water? Answer is when it rains during the monsoon, the wall also gets wet. So the roots of the plant get water from such moistures. Question number 7. How do the hanging branches of a banyan tree look like? Answer is the hanging branches of a banyan tree looked like ropes tied to the tree. Question number 8. Which vegetables do you eat at home? Answer is I eat vegetables like potatoes, brinjals, cauliflower, cabbage, sweet peas, radish, carrots, tomatoes, beetroots, yam, etc. Question number 9. Write the names of the animals living on trees. Answer is squirrels, monkeys, crows, owls, parrots, kites, bats, etc. Question number 10. What are the flowers that florist sells? Answer is roses, marigolds, lotuses, mogra, hibiscus, night queen, currant and dhatura flowers. Question number 11. What did Ratan see in his grandfather's garden? Answer is Ratan saw various flowers, vegetable bushes and creepers. She also saw plants of crops and pulses and tall trees. Question number 12. Which plant do you grow in pots at your place? Answer is I grow plants like basil, means tulsi, money plant, roses, periwinkle and marigold in a pots. Question number 13. Which flowers are there in the garden of your school? Answer is flowers like marigolds, periwinkle, jasmine, currant, roses, hibiscus and mogra are there in the garden of my school. Question number 14. Where are flowers grown? Answer is flowers are grown in gardens, small plots, fields, nurseries, schools and in yards of houses. Now see the next page. Question number 15. What are prop roots? Answer is The roots that grow out of branches of a banyan tree are called its prop roots. Main 7. Answer the following question. Question number 1. Are there any things in your house which have designs of flowers made on them, like clothes, seats, vases, etc.? Answer is yes, there are many things in my house which have designs of flowers made on them. For example, bed sheets, cushion covers, curtains, pillow covers, bags, sofa covers, cover of the washing machine, tablecloth, my grandfather's shoulder bag, etc. Question number 2. What differences do you find between a flower and a bird? Answer is petals in a bird are shut and closely packed, while in a flower they are open and separate. The flower is larger than the bird. A bird is pointed and covered with green leafy structures. A bud is the primary stage of a flower. A flower blossoms from a bud. Question number 3. How does a plant grow on a wall? Answer is the fruits or seeds of this plant are eaten by birds. Bird excreta which has this seed fall on the wall. The seeds in bird droppings reach the walls. Then when the conditions are good, these seeds start to grow. Wind or storms also carry seeds from where they have fallen to the wall. When these seeds get water due to rain, they start to grow. Question number 4. Why does a plant growing on a wall have a short life? Answer is these plants do not get sufficient water. They remain fresh until there is moisture in the wall. Thereafter, they dry up due to lack of water. Therefore, their life is short. Question number 5. What is the function of the roots? Answer is roots are one of the many parts of a plant. Its function is to support the tree and to absorb water from the soil and reach it to the various parts of the plant through stems. Roots stay in the soil and hold the plant in place even where there are strong winds, cyclones, or heavy rainfall. Question number 6. Give some information about Kabirwad. Answer is Kabirwad is a colossal banyan tree growing on the banks of the Narmada River. It is located next to the Karnali of Chanod in Bharuch district. Innumerable prop roots have grown out of its many branches. The tree is spread over a very large area. Its prop roots, which are the thick like pillars, support this huge tree. Main 8. Classify the following vegetables into those growing below the ground and those growing above the ground. First of all, we will see the given names of vegetables. Let's see it. Potatoes, brinjals, tomatoes, beetroots, carrots, cauliflower, radish, cabbage, sweet potato, ginger, chilies, sweet peas, yam, bottle gourd, cucumbers, bitter gourd, ivy gourd, and turmeric. Now we will see vegetables growing below the ground. First of all, below the ground, potatoes, beetroots, then carrots, radish, sweet potato, ginger, yam, and turmeric. And vegetables growing above the ground, that are brinjals, tomatoes, cauliflower, cabbage, chilies, sweet peas, bottle gourd, cucumbers, bitter gourd, and ivy gourd. Now we will see the next page. See the hot question. Choose the correct alternative from those given below. Each questions and write its index letter alphabet in the box provided against each question. Number 1. The marigold plant is a blanks. Option A tree, B bush, C creeper, and D none of the given. Answer is option B bush. The marigold plant is a bush. Number 2. The roots of which of the following trees are found below and above the ground? Option A neem, B peepal, C banyan, and D Mango. Answer is option C. Banyan. The roots of banyan trees are found below and above the ground. Number 3. Which of the following vegetables grows as a root? Option A. Cauliflower, B. Cabbage, C. Brinjal, and D. Carrot. Answer is option D. Carrot. Carrot grows as a root. Here your chapter is completed. Now we will see the next chapter in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.